Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the sky in your video using CapCut. It's super easy, and by the end you will be able to make your clips look way more cinematic. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your CapCut and then make a new project, and then just import the main clip that you want to edit. This is the clip where you want the sky to be replaced. Like this. And then next, import the sky clips that you like to use. This could be a sunset, clouds, or even a starry night. And then just make it as an overlay on top of your main video, like this, and then just match the durations, like this. Now just go to Max and then choose horizontal, like this. And then just adjust the feather and then position it so it blends into your skin perfectly. Maybe like this. And next, just import the same main video again, but in this time make it as another overlay, like this. Like this. And then just go to remove background. And then you can use auto removal or custom removal to keep the object to remove the background. And in this tutorial, I will just choose auto removal, like this. This will give you your edit smarts a cleaner and polished look. And then your video will look like this. And okay, that's it. Once you're happy with how the sky looks, just export your video and done. Now you have got a clip with a brand new sky that looks smooth and professional. And okay, that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!